I'm Santina from WTI, and I'm going to tell you today about this great little micro guitar tuner from D'Addario. We love how convenient this is. It's super easy to turn on, and as soon as you turn it on and start tuning, it detects what string you're trying to tune, and it gives you very clear indications of whether you're sharp or flat, how sharp or flat you are, and it helps you get just right so that you can get just the perfect tuning. One thing that we love about this is how small and compact it is, and it clips very easy on the end of your guitar. So you don't have to worry about trying to handle a tuner sitting on your lap or on your desk while you're also trying to handle your guitar. It clips on the end, it weighs next to nothing, and it's very clear, simple, and easy to use. So highly recommend this for any guitar tuning. I think it can also be used for a few other similar instruments. I think that you'll really like it, and that's my point of view.